They said to us, don't do it. It is not going to work. You're wasting your time. People won't come, it's going to rain. Change the date. Cancel it. Just don't make yourself look like fools. Don't do the event.
Thank you guys for supporting me, and also the turnout was incredible. I got to see so many supercars like Lamborghinis, Ferarris, Porches, RVR8s and etc. And also it was absolutely fantastic today. I really enjoyed it, and hopefully in the future I'd like to do this again. Thank you everyone. Make sure you subscribe and like my channel. It is called The Shivam Review.